This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Jennifer Hadley. Perched on a rolling hill on one of Germantown's most scenic and friendly streets, walking distance to Riverdale Elementary and local parks, this traditional masterpiece showcases over 4K square feet of pristine living space. The beautiful interior boasts rich hardwoods, fresh paint and renovated entertainer's kitchen anchored by a massive center island flowing effortlessly into the inviting living room west/custom built-ins and stylish dry bar.Daily life is elevated by beautifully reimagined MBath, brand new laundry room west/striking geometric tile pattern, sunlit playroom and private third FL exec office/media room west/dormer for natural light. Custom built-ins and wired ethernet.Absolute peace of mind is guaranteed by mechanical overhaul including modern garage door, tankless WH, roof/5 years, 2 new Trane air conditioner units.Storage is unmatched west/5 freshly carpeted bedrooms west/3 LG walk-in closets, extensive bathroom cabinetry and 2 attics.Fresh landscaping frames pristine new driveway and walkway.Expansive wooden deck in private, fenced backyard. For more information,